Hello everyone, my name is Daniel White.
And I'm Jimmy McKinney.
We have some exciting news to share with you guys today. Right Angle Home Repair started 5 years ago with a desire to serve people and create solutions with the goal of developing relationships and serving our community with excellence. After meeting Jimmy, we found out that our companies are a lot alike. We have the same mission and values, and we decided to merge companies to work together to serve more clients.
J&R Construction, we've been serving Central Kentucky for over 17 years with design, build, home remodeling services. We perform kitchens, bathrooms, basements, room additions, decks, whole house remodels, and much more. We strive for excellence in everything we do as well, and we help everyone enjoy the process of home remodeling.
We're excited about this new opportunity. Check us out at jrcsi.com.
And in Lexington, call us at 225-0162. Thanks again for the opportunity to serve you, your community, and your family. For it is your business that's the future of our company.